Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download YouTube videos legally. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So the only way for you to legally download a video from YouTube legally is for you to get the YouTube premium subscription. Once you have taken that YouTube premium subscription, you will be able to go ahead and get that option to download the video, and it will be downloaded to your phone, not just offline downloaded on your YouTube. It will be downloaded for your gallery. Now, unfortunately, YouTube does not authorize a third-party software, websites, or extensions for you to download it from YouTube as well. Now, another option could be is for you to simply go ahead and unfortunately that is the only way you have. Now, another method for you for your own uploaded videos, if you can download your own uploaded videos. All you have to do is go to the desktop version of YouTube Studio. You have to click on content, and then from left hand navigation sidebar, which will be in your YouTube account, in your YouTube Studio, you need to go ahead and then you can download those videos. Those will be downloaded and will be available for further purpose. But unfortunately, any other content cannot be downloaded apart from the offline download on YouTube itself. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.